Remember that time your computer crashed right before a deadline? Now imagine that, but for airplanes and banks. That's basically what happened when CrowdStrike, a cybersecurity company, accidentally grounded flights and froze ATMs with a faulty software update. It was like the blue screen of death, but instead of just your laptop, it took down parts of the actual world. Not ideal. At the heart of this digital meltdown was CrowdStrike's Falcon sensor, a sophisticated piece of technology designed to safeguard our digital world. This software, used by businesses and governments globally, is supposed to be a digital bodyguard, detecting and stopping cyber threats before they can cause harm. But this bodyguard brought a bazooka to a pillow fight, overreacting to harmless activities. A routine software update went haywire, mistaking normal operations for malicious attacks, causing widespread confusion and disruption. It's like your smoke detector going off because you made toast, an overreaction that seems almost comical. Except in this case, the toast was a whole lot of critical infrastructure affecting essential services and causing significant headaches for IT professionals everywhere.
The fallout was swift and messy. Airlines couldn't board passengers, some flights were grounded, and travelers were left stranded.
Banks faced disruptions, with ATMs going offline and transactions stalling.
Even media giants like the BBC weren't spared, experiencing technical difficulties thanks to the rogue update. It was a stark reminder of how reliant we are on technology, and how quickly things can go sideways when that technology throws a tantrum. Damage control, apologies, and a DIY fix. In the fast-paced world of technology, even the smallest glitch can spiral into a full-blown crisis. Companies must act swiftly to manage the fallout and restore user trust. CrowdStrike, facing the digital equivalent of a 5-alarm fire, scrambled to contain the chaos. Their teams worked around the clock, trying to patch up the issues and prevent further damage.
Their CEO issued a public apology, which is tech CEO for "I messed up." This public acknowledgement was crucial in maintaining transparency and showing customers that they were taking responsibility. They then did what we all do when we break something. They Googled a fix. In reality, their engineers were frantically searching for a solution, combing through lines of code and troubleshooting. Well, not quite, but they did issue a manual rollback, requiring customers to undo the disastrous update themselves. This meant users had to follow detailed instructions to revert their systems to a previous state.
Imagine if fixing your internet required calling over a technician every time your router blinked. The frustration and inconvenience would be immense. That was the level of inconvenience. Customers were left to fend for themselves, navigating complex technical steps, and many were understandably upset. The company had to work hard to regain their trust.
Trust issues, the high stakes of tech reliability. In today's interconnected world, the reliability of our technology is more crucial than ever. The CrowdStrike debacle was a wake-up call for the entire industry and beyond. It highlighted the immense trust we place in tech companies, especially those tasked with protecting our digital lives. We rely on them to safeguard our personal information, financial data, and even our national security. When a cybersecurity giant can accidentally unleash global havoc, it makes you wonder who's really in control. The incident showed us that even the most advanced systems are vulnerable to failure. It underscores the need for rigorous testing, fail-safes, and maybe a backup plan that doesn't involve frantic Googling. Companies must invest in robust security measures and continuous monitoring to prevent such disasters, because next time the stakes might be even higher than a delayed flight or a missed ATM withdrawal. Imagine the chaos if critical infrastructure like power grids or healthcare systems were compromised. The consequences could be catastrophic. For more news and coverage, please follow, share, and subscribe.